I fly my drone in public spaces? Well, that depends. Let's just say it's a good day to capture aerial photos or videos within a city or town. And there could be townhouses, commercial buildings of various sorts. It could be vehicles and people within the surrounding area, and perhaps even some historic buildings, such as the one in Oxford, this one, the Radcliffe camera. Whether you're able to operate your drone in this type of environment will depend on a number of factors, such as the type of drone you will be piloting and its weight, proximity and permissions from nearby aerodromes and airports, and whether you have the correct CAA certificate and authorization. Hey everyone, so we're walking through the city of Oxford. We're about to film the Radcliffe camera, one of the most famous buildings in Oxford, and we'll be using a drone to do that. So I'm currently just positioned just in front of my point of interest with a sub 250 gram drone, and as you can see there are people all around, and we're about to fly straight up to capture an aerial image of the Radcliffe camera. So I'm at a nearby cafe and I'm now transferring the images via the Samsung 128 EVO PLUS SD card to the Samsung adapter. The SD card has pretty fast transfer speeds, and you can find out more in the link in the description below. Now, with a little editing, check out what you can create.